I mean, number two, why this logo is not lightning? Why is it just like this? It's kind of silly. Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you this beautiful Alienware headset 7.1.
Yeah, great.
It's a gaming oversure. We're gonna unbox it, test it, and try it with some music, try it with everything. And I'm gonna do another video to compare it with Asus. Every one of you guys know this headset. We're gonna compare them together and see what's different in the next video. But anyway guys, before we go anywhere further, please subscribe! Come on! What are you waiting for? Subscribe right now and help me reach 10 million subscribers. As you see guys, this is Alienware M510H 7.1 gaming headset. Okay, if you are wondering that which headset is the latest model from Alienware, this one is the latest model, and the other one that you have three lines from behind, the black color, this is the oldest version. I don't think it's gonna be different between them, but if you have the new kind of Alienware, the modern one, buy this one. If your Alienware is the oldest version, buy the oldest headset that you will walk as shape with your laptop. They say 7.1, 20 Hz wireless and 40 Hz wire. USB and 3.5mm audio jack and 50mm size of the headset. The reason guys why I ordered this headset, because actually DELL doing great, and especially Alienware products, to be honest with you. Impressive audio with 7.1 surrounding sound, we're gonna try it, lightweight construction, optimize it for comfort. I don't know why they say this word certified. What's the relation of this word, and why especially this word? High-res audio, okay, but why do you not say YouTube certified, for example? Why do you say this word? I know Discord is application for gaming. I have account in Discord, and it's a YT. Ooh la la. Let's see what we have here. This is the card that always Alienware give it. I have it. I'm already a member Alienware. This is the massive catalog that Alienware give it by all language. Okay. Wow, beautiful look. Beautiful kind of looking the headset. Okay, let's keep it here at the moment until we see what we have on the box. You want sugar? Sugar. This is dyed sugar, you know. Okay. By the way, we didn't see here 7.1 gaming headset. See guys, it's noise cancelling mic. Cool. Multi-platform RISE drivers. Compatible for PlayStation 4 oversure, Xbox One, Switch, and PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 5. All this could work, you know. Guys, this cable is audio jack. You know, this is old school. Here, you have mic. This is a headset, and this is mic for example, for your PC or your old kind of laptop. Now it doesn't have like this anymore. Now it have only one jack, so you connect like this. And you connect it to your old devices, or for example you have audio system, a lot of things you can use it. Okay, here you have one. Wow, beautiful, big size, minus, plus for the headset. This is here USB for your PC, or can work even with iPad if you have a USB hub. And this is audio. Here you have in the left side. Okay, you know how guys to adjust the headset like this? See, I'm in the middle. I can adjust it like this in the middle because my head is not big and it's not small. If you have big head, you need to adjust it until the end. Here is the mic, as you guys know. I guess guys, the mic, when you put out him like this, it will be on. When you back him like this, it will be off. See guys, the headset is beautiful with the logo for the Alienware. This is lunar white. There is another color, the dark side of moon, the gray one. This is white color, beautiful, beautiful shape, modern. This shape is worked with the new Alienware. You know guys, the new Alienware, he's like this from behind. And it's lightning, the Alienware 2020-2021. They create the shape like this. So that's why I tell you that if you have the new Alienware, you can buy this one. Let's try sound quickly and see how it looks like. By the way guys, one thing, this is not a wireless headset. Okay, this is not wireless. This is only wire. Not too bad, it's not wireless. Hear the sound, guys. By the way, guys, see how we work with each other. Oh, this is what I'm talking about, baby. I saw this logo lightning also in the headset. I don't know. Look, guys, to the directly recognize it. You know. Oh, this is minus. When I do sound, go more out. This guy's mic off. Like this, mic on, mic off. You got me? Also guys, here in the audio jack, see? Also you have, if you connect, not USB, if you connect to audio jack, also they made for you here, mic off, mic on. This is, I guess, for audio jack, high and less. You got me? Okay guys, I don't know what to tell you, sound is great. It's not so loud, but it's enough. To be honest with you guys, I don't like the headset that the sound is too much high. You know why? Because this is gonna damage your ears. That's it. Maybe we need a little bit more high, little bit, but not more than this. But a sound, a space, as equalizer, it's really nice. And anyway guys, and there is application for the headset inside the DELL ALIENWARE. I don't know in others you should download it or no. It has equalizer, you know, for make it more high or down. You know guys, what I like in this headset more than the Asus, it's more lightweight and it's not tighting on the head. My Asus one, it's pressing on the head a little bit. This one almost I don't feel very anything. And here is so soft and comfortable. You got, really, it's nice. It's not bad. I rate this headset 97 from 100. You know why? The surface here is not so too soft. It's a little bit rough, which is mean the dirt is gonna stuck here. For example, like it's still brand new, and see there is some sign here, it will not move. You should make it more soft here, that dirt will not stay. Number two, why this logo is not shining? Why this logo is not lightening, sorry. It should be like mouse here, as you see. It's beautiful when it's lightening. And in my Alienware laptop also this logo is lightening, so why here is not lightening? They should make it lightning. This is the logo for you, Alienware. They should be lightning from 10 kilo far away. I could see it. This is the only two things that I didn't like on the headset: the surface and the look. But otherwise, the sound, as I mentioned, needs a little bit more higher. But as space and everything, it's nice. So anyway, guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up. And we'll see another video with Hatem Objection. Peace and love and money for all of you.